Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve some questions of the AP related to sum formula. Okay, students. Question number 1. Find the sum of all three-digit numbers which leaves a remainder 3 when divided by 5. Student, we have to find the sum of all three-digit numbers which leaves a remainder 3 when divided by 5. So student, first three-digit number divided by 5 equals to 100. Okay, remainder is 3 given to us. So required first three-digit number 100 plus 3, because remainder 3 and first three-digit number 100. So we have to add both of them. If we subtract 3 from 100, then the number will be of 2 digits. Okay, we need 3-digit numbers. That's why we have to add 3 in 100. Answer is 103. Required first number which leaves a remainder 3 when divided by 5 is 103. Now student, we have to find out the last three-digit number which leaves remainder 3 when divided by 5. So we know that last three-digit number divided by 5 is 995. Correct? Okay. And remainder is 3, student. The required last three-digit numbers equals to 995 plus 3. Again we have added 3, student, because when we add 3, the number will be of 3 digits and we need 3-digit number. Okay, student. So last number is 998. Now let us form the sequence, student. So first number 103, add 555 every time, 103, then 108, 113, then last number is 998. Now student, it forms an AP because the difference 108 minus 103 is 5, 113 minus 108, 5. So it forms an AP. The first number A is 103, first term. D 108 minus 103, 5. Correct? AN equals to 998. So we have to find out SN. To get SN, we need number of terms also. So first of all, we have to put term formula. AN equals to A plus N minus 1D. AN value 998. A value 103. N don't know. Minus 1 as it is. D 5. Now student, we have to solve this equation. So first of all, we have to solve the bracket. 5n minus 5. Rest term will remain as it is. Now student, 103 minus 5, 98 plus 5n. Now students, 98 will transpose this side. 998 minus 98 equals to 5n. 98 will become negative. So 900 equals to 5n. N equals to 900 upon 5. N equals to 180. Means there are 180 numbers whose gives remainder 3 when divided by 5. Now students, we have to find out the sum of all 180 numbers. SN formula n upon 2 A plus AN, because we have A as well as AN both. If you want to apply the formula n upon 2, 2A plus n minus 1D, it is also correct. N value 180, S 180 equals to n value 180 upon 2, A value 103, student, and AN value 998. Add both of them, 1101. S180 equals to 90 into 1101. S180 equals to 90 into 1101 equals to 99090. So this is the sum of all 3-digit numbers which give us remainder 3 when divided by 5. Okay students. Now student, next question. The nth term of an AP is 4 and the sum of n terms is minus 14. If the common difference is 2, find the first term and the number of terms. Okay students. So you can see nth term is given 4. An equals to 4. Sn given, the sum of all terms is minus 14. Sn equals to minus 14. Common difference is 2. D equals to 2 student. Find the first term, means the question asking about A, first term. And the total number of terms, means the question asking about N also. Students, An given, Sn given, D given, we have to find out A and N. Correct? So, term formula we have to apply. An equals to A plus N minus 1D. An value student 4. A value not given. N is also not given. D value 2. Now students, solve this equation. We have to solve first bracket. 2 multiply both of them, n and 1. 2n minus 2. Now 2 will transfer this side. 4 plus 2 equals to A plus 2n. 6 equals to A plus 2n. Now student, A value 2n will transfer this side. 6 minus 2n equals to A. Correct student? Now sum formula student, Sn equal to n upon 2 A plus an. If you want to apply here n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1d, it is also correct. Sn minus 14, n as it is. A 6 minus 2n student. An given to us 4. Now solve this equation student. 6 plus 4 10. 10 minus 2n. 2 is common student. N upon 2 into 2. What remain here? 5 minus n. 2 to cancel student. Minus 14 equals to 5n minus n square. N square and 5n will transfer this side. N square will become positive. 5n will become negative. Minus 14 equals to 0. Now student, minus 14 1 ja. Minus 14. We need minus 5 student. So minus 7 into 2. Minus 14. So two numbers we have got minus 7 and 2. There it gives us minus 5 student. N square minus 7n plus 2n minus 14 equal to 0. N is common here. N minus 7. 2 is common student. Plus 2. N minus 7. Both have n minus 7 common. What left here? N plus 2 equal to 0. N minus 7 equal to 0. N equal to 7. Or n plus 2 equal to 0. N equals to minus 2. Okay students? Minus 2 not possible. Correct? Because number of terms never be negative. So n equal to 7. Let us put the value of n in equation number 1 student. To get A, putting value of n in equation 1. 6 minus 2n equals to A. N value we have to put 7. 6 minus 14 equals to A. A equals to minus 8. So first term minus 8. Number of terms 7. Okay students. So we have to remember these two formulas, term formula and sum formula student. Okay, some values will be given to us and we have to find the remaining values. Okay students. Okay then students. Have a nice day.